In this video, I'll show you how you can start the Firetruck missions in GTA 5 Online. Now all you have to do is open the map and then find this icon, which is the LS Fire Department icon on the map, and then travel to that particular location on the map. And then in this location, all you have to do is go in to the fire station, and then on your right side, you should see this blip icon. Simply go there. Now keep in mind that you cannot start this work if you are a part of an organization or motorcycle club. So if you're a CEO, simply quit or retire from being a CEO, and then now you can go through in there, and then you should see this prompt: press E to begin working as a firefighter. So to begin the missions, simply press E, and now you should see a brief cutscene, and now you can begin working as a firefighter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.